You know, it's really interesting. Most people don't realize that Colorado is now the second or third largest aerospace state in the country. And it has been growing and expanding ever since. We moved our headquarters here now 5 years ago, and I know a number of other companies did. And we see Colorado as potentially being the focal point of human spaceflight for the United States going forward. We are building and assembling our vehicle, the Dream Chaser, here. And we are using multiple Colorado companies to help us do that, and the University of Colorado. Our rocket provider is the United Launch Alliance, which is based in Denver, and we're riding the Atlas V rocket that they manage and build. And Lockheed Martin is building a long-distance capsule called the Orion here, which will take humans beyond low Earth orbit to the Moon or Mars or some other destination. Yeah, it's been a great week, actually. It's been really fun. We've been working this program now 8 years, and this week we had the opportunity to start our full flight test. The vehicle you see behind me is the actual flight vehicle that will be doing the tests and the suborbital flights starting this week and going on for the next year's worth of tests. It is a 7-passenger vehicle, and it can take crew and cargo to low Earth orbit and to the International Space Station. It's been assembled through the partnership of about a dozen industrial companies, 7 NASA centers around the country, and 3 universities. And we're really excited because after taking it on paper for many years, we're actually starting to fly the real thing, the real article, and that NASA is going to be taking to space soon. We're engaged in a competition with NASA called the Commercial Crew Competition. And there are 4 companies that received funding from NASA to do that. We have received the largest amount of funding under that program. And it's interesting because while we are competitors, we're also supportive of each other because we believe that the goal here is to bring America back into the human spaceflight business. Sierra Nevada, our company and our vehicle, the Dream Chaser, is unique in that we are the only piloted lifting body, a vehicle that, much like the space shuttle, will take off and be able to go to the space, go to LEO, do work not only at the station, but potentially do servicing work and do missions in space, and then return home to a runway landing, and it's a piloted vehicle. The other companies in the competition are capsules, capsules much like we've seen in the past in histories in NASA. So we're pretty unique, and after many years of competitive down selects, we are the company that's been chosen to take this type of design, which is, I think, carrying the spirit and the history of the space shuttle forward, and the great work that program did over 135 missions.